In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Microsoft PowerPoint or Word by converting text into a shape. This is a handy technique for enhancing your presentations and documents, adding a creative flair that's both unique and professional. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to make your text stand out. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're using Word, these steps will be very similar, so don't worry. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to apply these changes. This might be a new project you're working on, or an old favorite that needs a bit of a facelift. Next, you'll need a shape as the basis for your text transformation. Click on your rectangle shape from one of your slides. If you haven't added a rectangle yet, you can find it easily under the Insert tab. Then click on Shapes and choose a rectangle. Once you have your shape on the slide, it will act as the canvas for your text creative. Now return to the Insert tab and click on Text box. This is where you'll be able to write the text you want to convert to a shape. Take a moment to think about what you want to say, as this text will serve as the visual centerpiece. Once you've decided, type in your text inside the shape. Position it just right so it fits well within the bounds of your rectangle. After your text is in place, you need to select both the text and the shape. To do this effectively, click on one, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the other. This ensures that both elements are selected simultaneously, allowing you to perform operations on them as a single unit. Moving forward, head over to the Shape Format tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, find and click on Merge Shape. This option enables you to combine your text and shape in various ways. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Intersect. By choosing Intersect, you convert your text into a shape that assumes the form of your original rectangle. This is crucial as it frees you to manipulate the text in visually striking ways. Finally, you're now able to resize and stretch your text to your heart's content. Click and drag the corners or sides of your new text shape to adjust it as needed. Whether you want it larger, smaller, more elongated, or compact, this flexibility allows for complete creative control over its final appearance. And there you have it, your text is now a dynamic part of your presentation design. Remember, this technique opens the door to many creative applications, so don't hold back on experimenting. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on giving your text a fantastic new look. Happy designing!